Building cross-platform desktop applications has never been easier thanks to frameworks like Electron, Tauri, and Neutralino. These open-source tools let developers use familiar web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create apps for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, each offering unique approaches to performance, app size, and resource usage. Electron is an open-source framework for building cross-platform desktop apps using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It bundles Chromium and Node.js, allowing developers to use a single code base for Windows, macOS, and Linux. While popular for apps like Visual Studio Code, Slack, and Discord, Electron is often criticized for large file sizes and high memory usage compared to native applications. As an Electron user, I appreciate how quickly it enables cross-platform desktop apps using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. However, performance trade-offs are clear. High memory usage and large file sizes due to bundling Chromium are common issues. Ultimately, the app's efficiency depends on the developer's optimization, with well-optimized apps like Visual Studio Code showing what's possible. A pricing of Electron is zero for the software itself, as the framework is completely free and open source under the permissive MIT license, allowing anyone to use it for both personal and commercial projects without paying any royalties or license fees. The cost for building an Electron app is therefore limited to development labor and the time saved by leveraging existing web development skills and the vast NPM ecosystem. Enterprises may incur indirect costs related to consulting, maintenance, and third-party tools for packaging or enhanced security, but the framework itself remains free. Tauri is an open-source framework for building fast, secure, and lightweight cross-platform desktop apps using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Unlike Electron, it leverages the operating system's native web view instead of bundling Chromium, resulting in much smaller app sizes and lower memory usage. A Tauri user often highlights the noticeable improvements in app performance and size compared to Electron. While Electron apps can feel bloated with slow startups and high memory usage, Tauri allows developers to build slim, native-feeling applications using the OS's web view. The result is a snappy, efficient experience. Apps that feel responsive like VS Code but without the heavy resource footprint. Tauri is completely free and open source under MIT and Apache 2.0 licenses, allowing developers and companies to build commercial applications without paying licensing fees. The only costs come from development labor, infrastructure, and optional third-party tools for services like analytics or license management. Neutralino is a lightweight open-source framework for building cross-platform desktop apps using web technologies like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Unlike Electron, it avoids bundling Chromium or Node.js, using the OS's native web view instead, which keeps apps extremely small, often under 5 megabytes, and reduces resource usage. Native operations are handled via a lightweight C++ core communicating through WebSockets, making the framework simple, fast, and easily extensible. I am a user of Neutralino, and my experience with the framework has been overwhelmingly positive, particularly in its goal of creating lightweight and portable cross-platform desktop applications using common web technologies like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. When comparing it with other popular frameworks like Electron and Tauri, it's clear they all offer different trade-offs, making the choice dependent on the project's priorities. Neutralino is completely free and open source under the MIT license, with no fees, royalties, or subscriptions. The only costs come from development labor, infrastructure for building and hosting, and any additional tools developers choose to integrate. While the framework itself is free, time investment may be needed to address integration or maturity challenges compared to more established frameworks. In summary, Electron is ideal for rapid development but comes with higher resource demands. Tauri offers a lightweight, secure alternative with smaller app sizes, and Neutralino provides an ultra-light, portable solution for minimal overhead. Choosing the right framework depends on your priorities for performance, efficiency, and development workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay productive and stay organized.